Adenomyosis, also known as endometriosis of the uterus, is a common gynecological condition that can lead to irregular menstruation, pelvic pain, and fertility issues. Beijing Antai Hospital employs innovative technology, such as 3D hysteroscopic ablation, to precisely locate and remove abnormal tissues, restoring the normal shape and function of the uterus. Consider signing up for contracted treatment.
My sister had adenomyosis and chose to undergo surgery at Beijing Antai Hospital. Within the first month after the operation, her menstrual pain disappeared. She immediately told me that she was no longer experiencing menstrual pain. Consequently, the following month, I hurriedly went to Antai Hospital. Unlike other hospitals that suggested removing the uterus, Antai Hospital provided a solution without resorting to such drastic measures. We were unwilling to go through with a hysterectomy because it seemed unnecessary and would diminish a woman's functionality. Motivated by my sister's positive experience after the second month post-surgery, I sought treatment at Antai Hospital as well. I had multiple conditions, including ovarian cysts, adhesions, blocked fallopian tubes, and adenomyosis, and underwent surgery for all 5 conditions. Now, after over 2 months of recovery, I find Antai Hospital to have excellent facilities and exceptionally friendly staff. The doctors and nurses at Antai make you feel at home. I am willing to recommend Antai Hospital to other patients. I have already referred several individuals to Beijing Antai Hospital for surgery. I am also willing to share my treatment experience with other patients suffering from infertility, recurrent miscarriage, uterine fibroids, adenomyosis, or menstrual pain. My advice is simple: if you're unwell, go to Antai Hospital right away. Don't waste time and money at other hospitals, enduring prolonged suffering.